How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one and this one, as you can see here, we have over 300k followers, and it's powered by AI, of course. That means it's followed by real people. Real people followed her, and as you can see here we have a lot of pictures with various pictures with a lot of likes and comments. As you can see, this is an AI influencer. That means it doesn't exist, and you can use one or you can create one and you can get money with it. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are defining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. A lot of influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. So you don't have actually to create it because we have here hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. So you can click over here or click over here, and if you want to sign up, so here we have a lot of options, use cases, features, resources, company, pricing. So you can read over here to more understand or to get more information about the website. And if we scroll down over here, you'll find a lot of videos with AI character. And here we have also AI avatar. So this is a AI character that you can choose. You can choose one of them and then you will start with it as AI influencer, and you can get money with it. So let's for example get started with an example that you can um, I'll show you a lot of options you can start with using this AI influencer, so or AI avatar. So you can click over here get start, and then you will enter your email or verification code, and then you will answer for a few questions. And after finishing this inscription, it will lead you to this home page. As you can see, this is the home page. This is my recent creations. As you can see here, we have hygiene learning guides, so a lot of information about AI studio, video avatar 2, AI voice, video translation. So here we have templates. So if you want a templates with the various topics, so as you can see here we have a lot of topics about templates. So it's depend on your content, so you can choose one and start with it. As you can see, various AI character too, or you can just create a video for example on YouTube and put it on your channel. So here we have a lot of avatars, so let's see other avatars that you can choose and get started. So here we have studio avatar. You can find various ones, so you can choose the one you want and the one you like. For example, let's select one. Let's select, for example, this one, Caroline in black suit. So this is the description of the EI, and here we have this three dot if you want to edit avatar, and if you want to get avatar ID. Here we have if you want to create your video, so you can click on landscape and you can start with this page by editing your video. And here we have a lot of options, as you can see. So you can display the place of your AI character. You can put it on the left or on the right or on the middle. Here we have animation, so you can added effect on enter, added effect on leave, and you can also added a script, so you can just delete that one. Let's select it all and delete it, and then you will click or add your script. And if you want to add another one, you can click on this plus icon if you want to add the third one too. So here we have, if you want to add a pause between these two sections, so if you want to make it seconds, 3 seconds pause or less, maybe the less than 3 seconds or more than 3 seconds. And here we have, if you want to add a recording, if you want to upload audio. And this is the GPT script writer. If you find some difficulties on writing scripts, it will help you to write your script. And here we have translate all scripts if you want to translate it to a specific language. And also if you wanna add it voice, so here we have a lot of type of voices: natural voice, explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. And here we have various languages if you want to add it your if you want to make your voice with other language. And here we have the gender. As you can see, I already choose AI character female. That means my voice will be our female voice. Here we have the ages, so we can select if it's child voice or youth voice, and wherever. So here we have the functions, if it's positive support head, adjustable speed, adjustable pitch. So you can modify and adjust your video. It's depend on your content, it's depend on how you want this video. And after finishing your edit, you can click on submit, and your video will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. So you can start with a various way to earn money. For example, starting as an affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliates partnership, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through their referral links, so all that use in AI character. Or you can create a video guide like this one. Using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. Choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. Then you could this could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence to a deep dive into specific AI applications or technology. So just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.